Good morning, YouTube. This is a 70-foot walking bridge going over a 20-foot dry creek, 20-foot deep dry creek. We got 25-foot poles. We're standing up in the middle. We're doing the whole right side. We're gonna get it concreted in, get it plumbed up, and then we're gonna go do the other side and hopefully complete this bridge in a timely fashion, in a safe manner. We got a little western wrestling those poles, but everyone's safe and made it home with all their fingers. That's a good day. Alrighty, have a good one.